Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace your bands on your Apple Watch Series 4. There you can see there's no bands assembled now, so this is the first assembling of the band. To assemble it, slide the new band in and then until you hear a click, slide it from the left or the right side into the center side until you hear and feel a click that you can perform at the same other side. The same, go in and slide it in position. Good job, as you can see. Easy as you can see. This is so nice and easy to replace. And here you can see now it works. Easy to get the band closed around your arm, as you can see. This is a button. Push this button under a location and then hide the band under it. Good job, easy. Nice to assemble the new band on your Apple Watch Series 4 the first time. But now we have to replace the band, for example. To replace it, you have to hold the watch firmly in your hand, or you place it upside down on a steady surface. Hold down the release button on the back of the watch and at the same time slide the band to the right or left to remove it. Easy as you can see. Now you can remove the band easily. Now slide the new band and take care. There are different size of bands in the market. Slide the new band in it until you hear it click. Now it's locked. Good job. Easy as clicking. Oh yeah. That is yeah. Without pressing the release button, gently try to slide the band left and or right to make sure it is attached. Successful. You can see I am going to replace it in a second. It is easy to replace, easy to remove, and of course easy to get a new band into position. This is a different thing. So let's reinstall the bigger one because my arm is a little bit bigger than others, so I need a little bit bigger band for it. So here you can see, job's done. How to replace your band on your Apple Watch Series 4. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel soon.